John Hammond, and perhaps a bit of snow here, even.
Well, it's funny you should say that, Sophie. Yes, later on this week we could see a little bit of the white stuff. But at the moment it's damp out there for quite a few of us, damp and breezy. Most of the rain has been across Scotland and Northern Ireland over the last few hours, but this damp and breezy weather is edging its way slowly southwards and eastwards. Ahead of that, though, across the more southern and eastern parts of England, it's been a beautiful morning, lots of sunshine. Gradually it will cloud up as this thicker cloud arrives from the northwest, but the main weather action will be up across the Scottish borders, the far north of England over the next hour or two. Some fairly steady rain here, a gusty wind, so not feeling all that pleasant. The dry weather, though, hanging on across the Midlands through this afternoon, and for East Anglia and the southeast, well, is it really January? Lots of sunshine still, and temperatures up into double figures, feeling very pleasant indeed. Some brightness down across parts of the West Country, but generally rather more cloud here. The odd spot of drizzly rain around the coasts and hills, but the main event will be further north across Wales, particularly the more northwestern areas here. The rain will set in through this afternoon, and again there'll be some fairly heavy bursts with a gusty wind. But behind the rain, things clearing up for Northern Ireland, some brightness. Dragging its feet, though, across Scotland, some snow for a time as the cold air digs in across the Grampians. Now, as we go through the latter part of this afternoon, this evening, the rain will trudge its way slowly southeastwards. It'll reach the far southeast of England later on tonight. Still the odd heavy bursts possible. Behind that it turns clearer and the blues ooze their way down from the north. This is frost. It's going to be an icy end to the night, actually, for Scotland, Northern Ireland and northern counties of England, with temperatures only just above freezing. Now, Wednesday, a completely different day. Might start off cloudy across the far southeast, but that'll clear away. The skies will brighten. It's set to be a beauty, a sparkling day. Lots of blue sky, lots of sunshine. There'll be a nip in the air. It'll feel chillier than it has done recently across many areas. Temperatures held down into single figures, and there will be some wintry showers across western parts of Scotland in particular, on quite a gusty wind. And later on it'll turn properly wet and windy across this part of the world as this very lively low pressure system winds itself up. Two things to point out: the blue indicating heavy rain, and the tightness of the isobars indicating some very strong winds, possibly 60-70 mile an hour gusts. So a lively old day on Thursday. The rain spreading its way down across England and Wales. Behind that it turns brighter but much colder, showers turning readily to snow, and that's a flavour of things to come at the end of the week. It will be a good deal colder, and there will be some snow around for some of us. Stay tuned to the forecast over the next few days.
John, thank you very much.